Comets, messengers of order in apparent chaos. For centuries, comets were feared as signs of tragedies and divine omens. They appeared suddenly in the sky and, due to their spectral light and unpredictable trajectory, evoked fear and superstition. Kardec, however, shows that nothing in the universe is accidental. Comets obey the same laws that govern planets and stars, being essential pieces of cosmic harmony. These celestial bodies, he explains, are travelers of space, formed of rarefied and fluid matter, describing vast orbits around the suns. Instead of threats, they are agents of renewal, instruments of divine physics that participate in the cycles of balance and transformation of worlds. Modern astronomy confirms this prophetic vision of Kardec with precision. Comets are composed of ice, dust, and rocks, true fossils of the solar system, which preserve primitive materials of creation. Their long elliptical journeys take them to distant regions where we know almost nothing, and from time to time they return to the central systems, reigniting their glow as they approach the sun. They are, therefore, living memories of cosmic genesis, witnesses to the birth of worlds. Kardec teaches that comets have specific functions within the universal order. They can contribute to the balance of celestial forces, transport elements necessary for the regeneration of worlds, or even originate new systems. When they disintegrate, nothing is useless, and what appears to be disorder is merely part of a greater harmony that the human mind has not yet grasped. Modern physics deepens this understanding. Today we know that comets do not follow chaotic trajectories, but mathematically precise orbits, calculable with great accuracy. Universal gravitation maintains their regular movement, and the solar magnetic field guides them in their approaches and retreats. Even their tails, which seem erratic, obey the laws of the solar wind and radiation, a living demonstration of the discipline of cosmic forces. Furthermore, recent studies indicate that comets may have been carriers of the seeds of life. Complex organic molecules, such as amino acids and carbon compounds, have been detected in their nuclei and tails. It is possible that, upon colliding with young planets, they sowed the fundamental elements of biogenesis, thus fulfilling a creative mission in the universal scene for Spiritism. This confirms the idea that God acts through natural laws and instruments, not through miracles. Comets, far from representing chaos, are messengers of order, links between worlds, and expressions of the eternal movement of creation. They remind us that the universe is in perpetual transformation and that nothing is static in the divine realm. Thus, what the ancient man saw as a threat, the spiritualized man sees as a manifestation of supreme intelligence. Comets traverse the infinite, fulfilling their silent role, and in doing so, proclaim the greatness of God in its most sublime form, the order that reigns even in the apparent madness of the skies. If this message has given you a new perspective on the cosmos, share it, because understanding comets is realizing that even the unexpected has a place in divine harmony.